I'm going to show you how to design and build a tent trailer. Hi everyone, my name is Mariana. If you're new here, my channel is about my outdoor adventures, camping, hunting, fishing. Hunting is not always successful, but I'm trying anyways, and just basically anything that is outdoor related. So in this video, you can see how you can design your own tent trailer and how to build it. So my friend Jason will actually walk you through it because I don't know how to do it, but I have learned a lot when he explained it. So everything he tells you, I will also type it up in the description of this video. So if you want to kind of look back and maybe follow some of the step-by-step directions or some of his suggestions, you could see it. It might be easier. But I think this is a really nice do-it-yourself project. You can totally customize it, make it however you want it, and it would be just a fraction of a cost of any kind of travel trailer or pop-up trailer or tent trailer. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is Jason, and he is here with us camping. I mean, he didn't make the whole thing himself, but he designed it, so he gets all the credit. And what I want to do is find out how he did it, so that maybe I could do it one day, or anybody else that wants to do it, now they know how to. So tell us, how did it come about?
Okay, first of all, it was a military frame. So if you can imagine like a Y, and then it has where you hitch and the tires. Everything else was gone. So what happened is this is an old military trailer that held a 9,000-pound generator. So they took the generator off. So this was a really good base to start building my box.
Okay.
And what I originally started out with was just a bed, so I could fill up totes. It's a little bit easier to work with and pack. I can shove them in there, take them out. It's a little bit rusty and dirty. We've been driving around here. It gets filthy.
Yeah.
I ended up putting a top on it because it rains, and if people come by, I can lock everything secure and nothing can get in. Mm-hmm. And then this thing, since I had a 9,000-pound generator, you could see the suspension under here.
Yeah.
This thing is built like a tank. It's got support beams that come down here. You unpin them and stick them down in the front or the back in the front here. And this entire unit will not move at all.
Oh, wow.
You can jump around up there and nothing will happen.
It looks pretty sturdy.
It's like very
And you're
tough.
pulling it with your
Yeah,
Jeep.
Jeep. I usually do it with a Toyota FJ.
So how much does it weigh? That's my question about anything towing.
Yeah, you know, I'm not 100% sure.
Okay.
Because I never fully weighed it.
Okay.
So I'm guesstimating it right around 1,800 pounds.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
So any car, almost any car can pull it.
It's just beefy on the frame, but everything
Yeah.
else is thinner gauged metal and steel. So this one here, because we hunt up in the mountains, there's a lot of bears here, and I like to leave this out. Mm-hmm. I made like a little bear box.
You got a beer box.
Yeah. So right now I'm just storing a little bit of trash and fuel.
But that's a lot of space.
Yeah. So
That's really cool.
I built this around two coolers that stacked on top of each other.
Oh, yeah?
They're just not in here, so it was like a really good fit. Choom, choom. But the nothing's as good as Yeti, and you're just wasting your time with anything else.
Yeah.
Yeti, you can send me something.
Yeah, that's right, Yeti.
And then these right here are real simple aluminum boxes for lightweight, and I bolted them to the side and underneath here.
Okay.
And right here is all my kitchen supplies.
Oh, you could put your camp stove there if you have to, huh?
Yeah. So we've got, you know, old military tins that keep all the spices and everything separate, old bowls, tea kettle in here, hot chocolate in there, just whatever you
You
want
could
to
put
do.
more stuff too,
Sure.
like containers and stuff and
That's
everything.
probably the better way to go because it gets so dusty here.
Yeah.
So that would be really cool. You just got to find the right thing to fit in there nice and
Right,
easy.
Tupperware.
Close it up.
Yeah.
But
That's really
everything
cool.
locks up and it's very sturdy. Now this right here is such a neat option. It's not out, but it's an awning.
Okay.
So you unzip it, 1, 2, 3 snaps, pull it out to about here.
Wow. let
It's
me
got
see.
metal legs, metal arms. You don't even need to put out ropes.
That's big.
And I'm 6'4", so I made sure that everything is 6'4", so I clear it.
Yeah.
I mean, got to use my noodle a little bit.
Okay, so what is this thing over here?
This is my hoist to pull up game. So like I have
Your
a
deer
gambrel.
hanger, huh?
Yeah. So like at our farm, I do my own hogs and things like that, and they're getting pretty heavy.
Yeah.
So I take the gambrel and put it behind the legs and hoist them up. And since this thing, I can push it around
Yeah.
by hand, I could literally lift this up and wheel it around my yard. I can put this thing anywhere.
That is
I don't
so
have
cool.
to tow anything. That's the other thing. You want it light, and you want it so you can move it around. Otherwise, you're going to struggle. And anytime you struggle with something, you get rid of it.
Yeah, that's true.
So lightweight, easy. I put this on here because sometimes you don't always have level ground.
Oh yeah.
So I had someone weld
It's like a
the
trailer.
bracket, and you just take this on and off. I store that in there.
So if you just know someone that knows how to weld,
Yeah.
you can pretty much put it together.
Right.
Now, so if somebody doesn't have a military style or military trailer, can they just use any kind of trailer?
They
And then
can,
just
but
kinda do it.
you've got to take it apart down to the bones where you're going to get it to be welded how you want it, to get it, manipulated.
Okay.
Which is still okay.
Yeah.
But then again, this was free for me. So
Oh.
it came with tires in the frame. I was like, I'm going to roll with that. Now, if
Yeah.
I had to start all over again, I would do it even lighter weight. I would get a metal box and just have a metal box made, a lighter, what do you call it, axle underneath, maybe with some springs,
Yeah.
and just a long reach out here and a regular hitch.
Yeah.
Because this is great because not everybody has this, so it doesn't get stolen.
Oh yeah.
I can leave this here for like a week. No one's going to mess with this, even an animal, because I have padlocks. And this is a tent that's mounted on top. This thing is the shit.
So can we
I
see the
said
tent?
shit. Yeah, this is a tent. It has brackets that open this up for awnings. I'm just, it's cold here.
Yeah.
Sets up in minutes, ties down, you undo it, it opens like a sandwich. The other neat thing is, it's got a memory foam mattress in there.
Oh no. Wow.
And I always leave 2 blankets, so I have a bed always made.
Yeah.
I don't have to drag it out of the truck.
Nice.
Yeah. And it's pretty great design how it works. You got this cover flap. So at night I leave this open in case I got to run out. Which you can see up in here, it's a regular little house.
Oh wow. Can you put it up?
Loads of room. Very comfortable. Comfort is key, and this thing is great. That little memory foam mattress makes a difference.
And I guess because you're off the ground, it's even better, like not that cold.
Right. The other thing too is, let's say I camp in the snow. I have a
Yeah.
kit that zips down underneath all this like a room with a floor, and it's made out of that heavy duty rubber material.
Yeah.
So I can come down here, get dressed, and when I'm done, unzip and I come outside.
Nice. You could even set up a shower.
Right.
You know, my main thing about showers, the solar showers, is that it's ridiculous. Like, you actually have to hang it up literally on something this high for all that thing to like come down and actually be on top of your head. Otherwise, it's so long, you have to bend over to wash your
Right.
hair.
But see this right here, because that's my next thing, because if I want to stay out here longer, I like to be comfortable. Clean
Yeah.
yourself. It's so dusty. But I can add stuff here. I have an umbrella because sun, when you're working
Yeah.
on these animals, same thing with the light and clip up here. But I want to extend it so it comes out and I can hang a ring with a poncho around it.
Yeah.
Now I can stand up and have a shower, and then I'll have a metal trash can that's just the diameter of that. So I want to weld that on here with a lid that locks. Again, you got to think security. You don't want no one messing with your stuff. You can leave it out here in the mountains for
Yeah.
a week or two. We're way up here.
Oh, yeah.
So your propane's locked and ready to go. Over
Awesome.
here, I want to do a water can that mounts on the same thing with a valve so I can wash my hands. And I've always got water, so I never have to lift it, carry it out. I
Yeah.
can take a hose and fill it. Again, I'm getting older. I don't like to carry shit.
Nobody does. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah.
So just these little modifications, they can really help you out.
Really awesome, because
Thanks.
I mean, I kind of want to get a trailer, but at the same time, I don't know if I want to spend all that money.
Yeah.
I don't want to get a pop-up trailer that's just sort of, for me, I don't know.
It's still a type of trailer. It's just a different
Yeah,
one.
I don't know. So something like this would be so much more fun.
Our thing is, we camp, we like to be outside.
Yeah.
We have a trailer at one of our campgrounds, but you don't want to be in there eating and cooking.
Yeah, you want to
and smell.
spend all
You
your
just
time
wanna
out.
sleep in there.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
this is a mobile outdoor kitchen.
Yeah, this, I really like it. This is really, really awesome.
Like I had some Army buddies that came down last month, and I set up a range for them to shoot at. I drove this thing, and then I opened it up. They
Yeah.
had shade. I cooked them
From
rabbit.
right
We shot a
here, huh?
rabbit.
They could shoot from here.
They got up here and they shot. They had a great day.
That's so cool.
So this
All
thing works out
right.
pretty good. And it was welded by Mike Snodgrass. The guy's a fantastic welder.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put a lot of this information down in the description of the video.
Okay.
So if somebody wants to see the details, I'll type it up, and if they have any questions, they can leave comments.
Yeah.
And then I'll get in touch with Lisa, and then she'll ask you, and then I'll answer it or something. We'll figure it out. But thank you so much. This is so cool.
Oh, you're welcome.
If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I will find out the answer for you. So if you like what you see, consider subscribing, and that way you get updated on any new videos coming out. But you got to make sure that you will hit that little gray bell, and that way you get notified. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you next time.